Hi everyone, this is Ms. Granger. In this digital lesson, we're going to learn how to do the ATL skill, drawing reasonable conclusions and generalizations. As usual, you will listen and record any notes or complete any activities as directed. Let's get started. So our big objective for this lesson is you're demonstrating your knowledge and understanding of information and content in our course by drawing reasonable conclusions and generalizations. Let's first learn and take notes about what this skill even means. So when you draw reasonable conclusions and generalizations, you are using information to determine that an idea is logical and makes sense based on that information. A generalization is a general idea or concept based on inferences, and inferences are educated guesses. In this context, drawing, as in drawing reasonable conclusions, does not mean making a picture. There's two steps to draw reasonable conclusions and make generalizations. First, you're going to examine all of the available information and or do the appropriate research as needed. Second, you will use that information that you have to provide an idea that makes sense. There's two reasons this skill really matters. First, it can help you understand a concept better because you're kind of describing it again in your own words when you are drawing that conclusion. And second, it will help you be informed about events and information. You might have to go out of your way to do a little more research, and that will give you more information about being informed. All right, let's move down to the practice section. We're still focusing on drawing reasonable conclusions and generalizations. Here are the directions. You'll demonstrate your understanding of drawing reasonable conclusions and generalizations by analyzing the political cartoon below. Explain what conclusion the artist probably wants the viewer to understand. So let's take a look at this first picture. You'll see the picture over here on the left. It's a picture of a car accident. There's an ambulance up on the hill, two medics kind of running down the hill, a person upside down in the car. The medic asks, "We got your cell phone call, so what caused the accident?" And the person in the car says, "I was on my cell phone." So looking at this picture and looking at what happened, what reasonable conclusion can you draw about what the author is trying to say? The author is not explicitly telling us, here's what I think should happen or not happen. They're doing it in the form of this cartoon. So now I need to make my own inference, draw my own conclusion based on this information. So you're going to write a complete sentence below explaining this conclusion. Go ahead and pause and do that now. Now before you move on to the mastery check, please look at the bottom here of this paper. It says, go get your sentence reviewed by your teacher before doing the MC or mastery check. We want to make sure that you're on the right track because the mastery check will check for your understanding of this particular skill. So pause and go get your sentence checked, then come back to this video. Finally, let's look at the mastery check. We're still focusing on drawing reasonable conclusions and generalizations, and I have the same directions as the practice. You're demonstrating your understanding of the skill by analyzing the political cartoon below. Explain the conclusion that the artist probably wants the viewer to understand. So when I look at this cartoon down here, I'm looking at a movie theater. At the top left, there's a caption that says, "Weapon of Mass Destruction." So I need to now look at the picture and look at what all the people are doing and looking at in the picture, in addition to reading all of the captions. Finally, I'm going to write my sentence below explaining the conclusion I think that the author is trying to make. Remember that you can see how you'll be graded at the bottom using this rubric. So be sure to check out the rubric in order to get the highest score possible. If you have any questions, please make sure to check with your teacher.